Now, some content creators have told me that they just want to put, some course creators have told me they just want to put, some books, and then they'll be referring to those books as, topics or as lessons, okay? So you can add an activity here on top of unit, which will appear as an overall for everything, okay? So if I add an activity here, I could say, okay, I'm going to put an ebook, okay? Because you can put a lot of things. So let me just go to File, Add, okay? File, Add, okay? What am I adding? I'm adding a file, okay? This is, maybe this is official textbook, okay? And I could put a description, however I want to describe it, okay? Then here, I should put the book here, okay? The easy way of putting your book here is to just minimize and where is my, this is what I want. I just drag it and drop it here. Can you see? I just take my PDF and drop it here. That's all. As simple as that. Okay? No hassle. So my PDF is here. Okay? Appearance. I just leave everything as they are. Or you can embed. When you embed, it opens in this platform. Okay? If you don't want to embed, you can force download. The students will be forced to download it. Or you can click open, in which case it will be opened with whichever application they have, which opens PDF. Okay? But you can leave it on automatic if you want. Okay? It's still fine. It's important to show the size. It's important to show the type so that if a student doesn't have the application on their computer, they can first of all install the application before they open that document. So it's important to show the type, okay? Show upload modified date if you feel like. Display resource description. These are all discretionary options, but however, I strongly emphasize that you should show the size and you should show the type, okay? Common module settings, leave them on their defaults. Restrict access, we don't need to restrict access because we have enrolled users, so we've already restricted access. Activity completion is important. How do we show this activity has been completed? Okay, let's show activity as complete when conditions are met. Students must view this activity to complete it. That's all we need. Okay, do we want an end date? All right, if we want an end date, we can just enable it here. For example, by September 2020, we expect everybody to have gone through this document. If we don't want to put an end date, we just have to leave it on its default. Okay, we don't want tags, we don't want to change anything on competencies, we just save and return to course. Okay, so you can have your official textbook appear at the very top. Then for each unit, you can put some material specific to a unit. For example, unit 1, you can add an activity. Okay, you can put different kinds of activities. You can put assignments, you can put quizzes. Okay, you can put a number of things. Okay, now if you want to put another file, or maybe you want to put, okay, let's put another file. Then we add. Okay, let's say this file is a, what files do I have? Yes, let's say it's an Excel file. Okay, so we can call it something. We can call it unit 2 reading, meaning students must read it. Okay, you can call it Unit 2 reading. We paste it here. Display description on course page. Then you could just drag it. Okay, just drag it right here. Okay, so it will be there. Appearance is show size, show type, show update, modify date. Do we want to embed? Maybe this time we don't want to embed. We just want to leave everything on their default, on automatic. Common module settings. We don't want to change anything. Restrict access. No, we don't want. We already restricted access because we have enrolled users. Activity completion. Activity completion. Show activity as complete when conditions are met. Okay, students must view this activity to complete it. And we want every student to access this activity by a particular date. Now, mind you, if you put a particular date as an end date, when you have a new intake, you have to adjust that date again because it will be a completely different completion date, which they will need to have. All right, so I can put it as August 2020, and I'm done. Tags, leave them at their default. Competencies, leave them at their defaults, and save and return to course. Okay. Basically, we have added some content to the course. And for now, I'll end here because the lecture will be too long. Then in the future lecture, I'll show you how to add other kinds of contents. There's a lot of other kinds of contents that you can add. Okay, so to start with, we'll leave it right here.